Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best laptops for college students in 2025. Whether you're looking for performance, portability, or budget-friendly options, I've got you covered. Make sure to watch till the end before you make your purchase because I've included all the key details to help you choose the perfect laptop for your needs. Plus, I've added purchase links in the description box to make it super easy for you. Don't forget to like this video. It really helps me out, and let's jump right in. The MSI Prestige 16 AI Evo is a true standout among 15 and 16-inch laptops, earning our Editor's Choice Award for its impressive blend of performance, features, and affordability. This isn't your typical bulky workstation. The Prestige 16 AI Evo is surprisingly lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry around campus. The centerpiece of this machine is undoubtedly the stunning 4K OLED display. With its vibrant colors, deep blacks, and sharp details, it's a visual feast for the eyes, whether you're editing photos, watching movies, or simply browsing the web. But it is more than just a pretty face. Powered by an Intel Core Ultra processor, it delivers exceptional performance for demanding tasks such as multitasking, content creation, and even some light gaming. The inclusion of an Ethernet port and an SD card reader caters to the needs of professionals and creative individuals, while the nearly 19-hour battery life ensures you can power through a full day of classes and beyond without constantly searching for a power outlet. While the keyboard could be more comfortable for extended typing sessions and the single USB-A port might be a limitation for some users, these are minor drawbacks that don't significantly detract from the overall user experience. The Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 i14 is a compelling 2-in-1 laptop that caters perfectly to the needs of college students. Its versatility shines, allowing you to seamlessly transition from laptop mode for typing essays to tablet mode for note-taking or sketching. Powered by an Intel Core i5-1335U processor, it delivers robust performance, effortlessly handling demanding tasks such as multitasking, browsing, and even light video editing. The 14-inch display strikes the perfect balance between portability and screen real estate, making it ideal for both productivity and entertainment. The Flex 5 i14 is designed with practicality in mind, boasting a generous selection of ports that eliminate the need for cumbersome dongles. The inclusion of a high-quality 1080p webcam ensures clear and crisp video calls for online classes and virtual meetings. While the display's color coverage could be more vibrant and the gray keys may clash with the deep blue chassis for some, these are minor aesthetic concerns that don't significantly impact the laptop's overall performance or functionality. With its impressive performance, versatile design, and competitive price, it's an excellent choice for college students seeking a reliable and feature-rich 2-in-1 laptop that can handle the demands of both academic and personal pursuits. The Acer Swift Go 14 is a compelling choice for students seeking a lightweight and powerful laptop that won't break the bank. This sleek and portable machine is designed to keep up with the demands of academic life, offering impressive performance, long battery life, and a robust feature set. It boasts a vibrant and easily legible matte display, making it comfortable to use for extended periods, even under bright lighting conditions. Powered by an AMD Ryzen 7 processor, it delivers smooth performance for demanding tasks such as multitasking, content creation, and even some light gaming. The laptop's lightweight and compact design makes it easy to carry around campus, while its impressive battery life ensures you can power through a full day of classes without constantly searching for a power outlet. The generous selection of ports, including USB 4, eliminates the need to carry around a cumbersome collection of dongles. While the keyboard may require a slight adjustment period and the speakers could be more impactful, these are minor drawbacks that don't significantly detract from the overall user experience. Overall, it's an excellent choice for students who prioritize performance, portability, and value. It's a versatile and capable machine that can handle the demands of both academic and personal pursuits. The Apple MacBook Air M1 may not be the newest kid on the block, but it's experiencing a resurgence thanks to a recent price drop. You can now find this sleek and powerful laptop for under $700, making it the most affordable way to enter the Apple ecosystem. Powered by Apple's groundbreaking M1 chip, the 2020 MacBook Air delivers exceptional performance, effortlessly handling everyday tasks like browsing, document editing, and even light video editing. The battery life is simply astonishing, allowing you to power through a full day of classes without needing to constantly search for an outlet. It boasts a premium build quality with a sleek and lightweight aluminum chassis that feels both sturdy and sophisticated. The keyboard is a delight to type on, and the spacious trackpad offers precise and intuitive navigation. The vibrant 13.3-inch display is a joy to behold, with crisp text and vivid colors that make everything from watching movies to browsing photos a more enjoyable experience. While the limited port selection may require the occasional use of a dongle, and the lack of a touchscreen might be a deal-breaker for some, these minor drawbacks are easily overshadowed by the MacBook Air's overall excellence. For students seeking a reliable, stylish, and high-performing laptop that won't break the bank, the 2020 MacBook Air with M1 chip is an exceptional choice. The Asus ZenBook 14 OLED is a compelling choice for college students seeking a blend of style, performance, and portability. This sleek laptop boasts a stunning 14-inch OLED touchscreen that delivers vibrant colors and deep blacks, making it a joy for both work and entertainment. Built with durability in mind, it is engineered to withstand the rigors of everyday life. Its robust chassis, fortified by 12 MIL STD 810H military-grade tests, ensures it can handle the bumps and bruises of campus life. Furthermore, it prioritizes practicality with a generous selection of ports, eliminating the need to carry around a cumbersome collection of dongles. Its long battery life ensures you can power through a full day of classes without constantly searching for a power outlet. While the AMD Ryzen processor provides solid performance for most college workloads, it may not be the ideal choice for demanding tasks like video editing or 3D rendering. Additionally, the integrated AMD Radeon graphics, while sufficient for everyday use, may not deliver the same level of gaming performance as dedicated graphics cards found in more powerful gaming laptops. Despite these minor caveats, it remains a strong contender in the ultra-portable laptop market. Its combination of premium features, robust build quality, and competitive price makes it an excellent choice for college students who value style, performance, and portability.